What is up, everyone? Nandito tayo ngayon sa Don C Studios for another unboxing. I know it's always a special unboxing, but today is the super duper special thing kasi we're gonna complete one of the things that I collect the most. At ito yung mula sa ating Superman series. Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome Kon-El, also known as Superboy. So, sige. Ang gagawin ko, i-ano ko na lang siya. I-unbox ko siya, tapos I'm gonna give you little details about it. So, well, for those of you na hindi kilala si Superboy, nakilala siya talaga nung 90s nung it was this one. Wait, let me just get, ayun. So, from this series, so Superman died. So, the 4 replacements appeared. So, that's Cyborg, Steel, si Eradicator, at syempre, si Superboy. So, actually, hindi siya totoong Kryptonian. He's a clone. So, they took Superman's blood, tapos, under Project Cadmus, yun, dun siya nakuha. So, before, wala pa siyang real Kryptonian powers. But eventually, nung nag-progress na yung story, nagkaroon siya ng Kryptonian powers. Tapos naging, rin siya, invulnerable sa Kryptonite. So, isa siya sa mga the best na heroes sa DC Universe. Unfortunately, syempre, inevitable, namatay siya. Ang ganda ng story kasi it's about DC Multiverse. So, ang kalaban niya doon, si Superboy din. So, isang clone niya. So, naalala nyo, from Project Cadmus, so, nag-decide sila, dun sa alternate universe, so, si Project Cadmus, naging pasado, na tuloy nila na i-brainwash yung brain ni Superboy para maging parang parang tau-tauhan nila. So nakakontrol nila. So muntik na nang mabura yung buong DC Multiverse dahil sa nangyari. Kinuha niya lahat ng mga Superboy. Tapos at saka Superman, tas they tried to imprison them. Tas gusto nilang i-clone siya ng mas marami. Pero syempre dahil bida, he was able to defeat Superboy Prime, but unfortunately, he paid his life for it. So there you go, that's Superboy. So what's in the box? Okay, so it's him. So I don't usually see him like this. Rarely lang, kasi usually, eto yung signature niya, the leather jacket. Also with syempre, the symbol of hope. Syempre, ang Kryptonian family seal. Kaya ako nasabing Kon-El ang pangalan niya kasi eventually natanggap siya ni Clark or ni Kal-El, ni Superman na maging member talaga ng family nila. So in-invite niya sa Fortress of Solitude. Tapos siya na yung nagbigay ng Kon-El. Kung bakit Kon-El? Kasi pinangalan niya yon kay Connor, yung daddy niya sa Earth, si Connor Kent. So, may Clark Kent, may Connor Kent. So, there you have it. That's Superboy. Angas niya, guys. I'll show you some poses para makita niyo kung gaano katindi tong epic na figure na to. So, that's it. See you later.